Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on gold versus the dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, and I'm still not really convinced the wave 3 is over. I still think it should go up to the 161.8 before we make a bigger correction for the wave 4, and then another push up for the wave 5, just to end the trend that started way back here. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like a 1, it looks like a 2, it looks like this is all still subdivisions of a wave 3. I'm still hoping that this is actually already in the wave 5 of 3 and that we're heading up to around the 2550 area before we end this wave 3, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3, and then eventually make a wave 4 and a wave 5. Heading down to the daily time frame. Now, I've been saying for a few days if price does break and hold below this right here, then that would actually confirm to me that we're still in a wave 4. So if price does break and hold below that, then most likely it would go down and make a wave C of wave 4. But I'm still kind of holding to the idea that the wave 4 is already over, maybe back here someplace, and that we're already in a wave 5, and that this is just going to keep on trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. I still think this is very likely a wave 5 of wave 3 on the higher time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we did try to break structure as you can see, but it rejected structure, and then it broke structure to the upside right here. Now this move down looks like almost a perfect 5 wave trend, which would kind of make you think that this move up may end up being just a correction to this trend. But with how it looks on the higher time frames, I'm actually long. I've been long since at least yesterday, and with the way it looks, I'm kind of hoping that it just ends up continuing the uptrend, and this is either a motive wave correction or some sort of a odd looking expanding flat. But if it does end up making a correction to this move down, we'll definitely be able to recognize that also and exit our longs and go short. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is like a perfect 5 waves down right here, and we definitely do have a nice break and hold above structure. So I would for sure be looking for longs, and I would definitely keep an eye on these fib levels though. If we do make some sort of a 3 way pattern up to a Fibonacci retracement level, then we make a nice big engulfing move to the downsides, maybe something like this, something like this. If I see a pizza like that at any one of these Fibonacci levels, then I would definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. Otherwise, I would continue to look for longs and I would just hold on to my longs because there is a chance it may just keep on trending up, making those higher highs and higher lows. I still think there's a pretty good chance we're in a wave 5 of wave 3 on like the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.